National Highway 10 has been closed again from October 13 to 16 for urgent repairs between Sevoke, West Bengal and Rangpo, Sikkim due to an office order from the National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited or NHIDCL. The closure is necessitated by severe damage along the West Bengal stretch, particularly at mile maker 38 where the road has sunk by nearly 2 to 3 meters. Recurring landslides and road cave-ins at 27th and 29 mile locations have compounded the traffic chaos, which peaked during the recent Dacian festival. Ever since the 2023 Glacier Lake outburst flood, key sections of National Highway 10 have suffered damage. Currently, the only alternative route connecting Sikkim and North Bengal to Siliguri is via Munsang, Lava, Gorubatan road to reach Coronation Bridge. The frequent closure and damage are severely impacting the local economy and tourism. According to NHIDCL contractor Prakash Tamang, the road has been in poor condition despite multiple repair attempts, emphasizing that the sunk section requires proper leveling and 100% protection near the river to prevent further collapse.
लोगों को बहुत हेरेसमेंट था। हम लोग रात भर बत्ती लाइट जला के भी सब कुछ काम किया, फिर भी नहीं हो रहा था। इस पर परमिशन मिल गया, इसलिए कटिंग हो रहा है। 3 दिन 4 दिन में पूरा प्लेन हो जाएगा। बस वैसे होगा, अच्छा होगा, जो होगा अच्छे होगा। इस पर 2 साल हो गया।
Arun Kumar, a restaurant owner on National Highway, stated that the continuous roadblocks have devastated local businesses during their main tourist season, leading to massive financial loss and spiking the cost of essential supplies from Siliguri.
और अभी तो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम ही चल रहा है सर। अभी सर बिल्कुल नहीं है, जीरो है। 1 2 4 बस वही आ गया तो इतना ही में संतोष करना पड़ता है सर। क्षति तो हो रहा है ना, ये तो सीज़न है, मेन सीज़न है हम लोग का। अक्टूबर, नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी तक हम लोग का चलता है, जो कि अभी नहीं हो रहा है। ऐसे भी 2023 से सर कंटिन्यू लॉस में ही चल रहे हैं। अंडरस्टैंड, ये रास्ता बिगड़ने की वजह से पूरा लॉस में चल रहा हूँ।
While repairing work may become more frequent in the dry winter months, this necessary closures simultaneously hampered the crucial tourism season for both Sikkim and North Bengal. News Desk, Hope News.
What do I remember?
Using a condom every time?
Yeah, I remember. I don't ignore it. Using a condom every time during sex is really important.
Wow, Ria is smart. Life will be safe for sure when condom is used always.
Don't think you know, remember once more.